Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Wia kigima omwanchi omulyeria no gosemera kwana na kwabere ko gutwara obulyeria borobia kigima na bayigo kwegokeria emeroberio aimegeta seni giensoko nigo cyaragire cyinsa 10 cyabona mugoroba sinerobere bwikira no kwana kebunanga koletra ndamangana maya unatikire kurwa cynsemo asinchira yobwenye nyora yonsi nabukoya bwate gwetera sensemeri emitandao Facebook na bayigo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV letera nenkerubo Frida na bali bagotobwate soko ene kebna chibicha neliogi yagwikira sole asenchira ya bene na remisef na boigo Kelvin Mogoy chinga kitoro cy'umwanchi umulyereria obachiri obokebo gendeta gokorekana sense melia emura de kir ase abaranere kurwa sekiama gya UDA na boigo kya DCP bagendete korokia okurwanerere kirugikyo asenchira ya bene na boiga stinsemo nigo ekina yoko mwaka isiko oyo kabero murai wense Rigathi Gachagua agendete gotegererwa asikurende gwetera abawakili baya babere bakwene kyanganiga agetwisiko mamincha neli chiko kondo mwanchi mulyeria ayongati yali ngwaliganetie ase mu basolero tosikatonyegera kwirana ndasegekeke kiribasyo helinde ngoma nyamange. Karibu sana tosanga sobwa mogo chaka bono iga goika omoelio kya chaka maya yebirebiga nigongo kumanyumna abawakili be Senate asekina kyogwa kwa isiko yo kabero murai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigo bayenekire buna Senate yabwateteli chiko asoku mwaka isiko Gachagua wetera abawakili bae Gachagua niga atebire ekegambero unanigo arusetwe abisi mamenja neli chiko ase aganiriri wakanwa engere yaye yechi million emerongo etano ni tatu asigika kimitinye emerongo etatu ni tano iyo alekoba ase abisi buno mokoreri osasobo koreri buaye buna omokonyi bumurai wense asentunda entangani yobokoreri bumurai wense.
The first instance exclusive discretion, my lords and my lady, with respect to the question of adjournment was at the Senate. It is not at this court. This court does not have that jurisdiction. And my lord and my lady, this court, even if it is not agreeable, even if 1.5 years later, the first petitioner came and said, I was feeling unwell, this court cannot substitute the discretion of the Senate with its own.
Affording an opportunity for the public to participate does not mean that we must compel the public to submit. Therefore, the submissions on 0.1, 0.04, 0.14, they do not arise. What matters is, were the people aware that this process was going on, and were they afforded as a sufficient opportunity to participate?
We can go bullet by bullet from paragraph A to paragraph Q of Article 50, sub-article 2, and he will not be able to show you the specific element that was denied of him, and the reason he cannot do that is because actually the grievance is based on an inverted logic, where it is him who has denied his adversary the chance to test his evidence, and the person who has denied the adversary the opportunity of cross-examination cannot turn around and pretend that he was the victim. In fact, the victim was the National Assembly.
Gosikabusio mwanchi umurigereria umurikio manene ase wizara y'oburindi bw'ime Dr. Raymond Omolo nigo araire ababwatani akorase serikali nene nabo igoiriye county ile kumurikira obokoreri ngaiwekeire ase amariganio yokurichingira litko lya madaraka okwana nigo Raymond ainikiabuna amariganio aikiranire ase arigania abakenya ase nsemo ya Wajir ile guchingira litukelyo.
Have this morning done an assessment of the progress of the preparations, and we are happy that the progress is good. We are at 84%. We expect that by between the 20th and 25th, most of the works would have been accomplished. So I know you can see already there is the former parade, the team doing the rehearsals as part of these preparations. We will be able to share with you the schedule of a set of activities will be happening 1 week to the celebrations. We have a thematic week which begins on the 25th all the way to the 31st at one of the local primary schools here with a focus on education, youth, as well as the future. And besides that, of course, there's work that is going on at the residence where His Excellency the President will host the luncheon for his guests. And maybe lastly is to ask the people of Wajir, the people of Northern Kenya, and Kenyans in general to join us on the 1st of June. And we expect to start early. Given the weather, but also the fact that every day around midday there are always the prayers. So we expect everyone to be seated by 8 a.m. on the 1st, with the program expected to begin at exactly 9 a.m.
Egati abarai ni gobeso kire na boigo komo koboko murai wense Dr. William Ruto asokora asintunda ya kabere okwano mugabana wi county ya Kirinyaga ni gabulie bamenyi borogongorwa Mount Kenya kubasira na boigo gwikirania eira yokomo koboko Ruto.
Kazi ya William Ruto inaongea haiongei. Bas tumechagua President William Ruto akuwe anazunguka akifanya siasa ama akifanya kazi. Nyinyi mnataka siasa ama kazi? Wangapi wanasema wanataka kazi? Sisi nataka kumwombea William Samoei Ruto kura zake za 2 term.
Wacheni tufanye siasa ya maendeleo. Tusifanye siasa ya wa Kenya. Tufanye siasa ya amani na tusifanye siasa ya ukabila. Nimewaambia tuko na ndugu zenu wengi wanafanya biashara kule pwani. Mukileta siasa ya ukabila, what will happen to the brothers and sisters wale wako pwani? Tufanyeni siasa ya amani.
Hatutaki siasa ya uadui, na hatutaki siasa ya matusi, na hatutaki siasa ya vita. Tunataka kila mtu akuje asimame Nyeri, aseme vile atasaidia watu wa Nyeri, vile atasaidia wamama wa Nyeri. Sisi hatutaki matusi, hatutaki vita, tunataka kila mtu asaidie watu wa Nyeri. Nigwa kana tigwo. Na sisi ndio hujiamulia.
Okobulia nigo kwarure gucia ase kiombe gia NCIC kubwatuka amalieta yabalia bagusegeta Chisegi okwana umubunge Otongaren John Chikati nigabulia bamenyi borogongoru kwenekia omurembe chinga kichonsi nigo boiga babulie gutanchirana onde bwensi kubatana na gisiasa.
The National Integration Commission to doing its work. Musikubali mtu yoyote agawanye Kenya kwa sababu ya siasa. Please, the National Integration Commission na vitenga yoyote ya polisi na usimamizi wa serikali iingilie ijue wanasiasa ambao wameanza uchochezi. Na wengi tunawajua and we've not seen any against them. Please do your work. In Parliament, we've had so many people lose their positions in Parliament. Ndindi Nyoro, with me, Ndindi Nyoro was the chairman of the Budget Committee. He was sacked. Mwami Bokose, MP for... He was removed. They have never abused anyone. My brother Wamboka, don't abuse anyone because you have been removed from the committee. If we do not because you have
Unaporudi kwanza kujibizana na yule ambaye anakutega miguu, hakika utapoteza na utaonekana kama yeye, na mwishowe tutakosa kujua ile ustadi wa uongozi ambao uko nao. Nataka nishauri viongozi wetu wote walio juu mamlakani, wakati mwenzako anayetamani kiti chako anaongea mambo yasiyofaa, wewe nawe ongea mambo ya maendeleo.
Yala ambayo tuliona ambayo ilitendeka kule Bumula haikutufurahisha, kwa sababu tuna culture yetu ambayo inahusu mambo kama ya tawara. Hatuwezi kuchukua mambo ya tawara tuende tuimbie viongozi.
Obacholio bokeni gobogendete ase bunge ya Emurua Dikir ime county ya Narok ase abarwandeli bagendete gwakirwa chikura nonya nabo mutenelio munene ubikema ya DCP Chariot Leonard niga ni kiribuna nigo obacholio bogendete gwikirani gwabuya ase bitaseni nonya baba sense mende nigo ababwatani bagendete gwesokia sobonge elinde koene kebuna ngonyora bali Omorai yorabega kwira libagari yae Nyagusira Johana Ngeno mwanchumulie gwikiraga abo no gwikira omoelio bokumurikira mangana maya asebire biga kurende toska tonyegera gendera kubwati emirobelio migeta seni igenso ko bigana bo oboroso obomugusi ikoragense yamo no bego kumera nere Ishmael Mogere abiga okoletera ayo amona yanda mange asenchira iyo gwikira no riane nkerubo Frida Nyoto watenere misef na boy go Kelvin Mogoi asoka nikebna chibichane liogire gukira sole asinchira ya bene.